So I've been someone who has always learned by experience. So I've done things by myself, I have gone out and seen things by myself and felt things to learn about them. And it has helped me across my educational stints, be it as a mechanical engineering student, I was building my own racing cars, working on aero modeling kits, or tinkering with robots myself. And that helped me learn a lot more about engineering. Or when I went to do my MBA, that's where I started experiencing businesses. I started building small businesses, worked out on small projects for real businesses. That helped me experience what it was to run a business. And that has helped me learn better about the things that I was interested in. I always felt a challenge that all of the cases, all of the scenarios may not be accessible to me. And that has always been a hindrance for the style of learning that I carried. When I started working in the field of education, I got exposed to the technology of virtual reality and I was blown away. Because I was able to experience things that were not accessible to me easily. I was able to experience places, experiences, and the most complex of scenarios through virtual reality. And I was able to learn about them much faster and also in a much more exciting way. So when I was consulting large industrial setups on building virtual reality based learning experiences, I realized that the greatest beneficiaries of these experiences were the youngest lot. The ones who were new to these setups, the ones who were experiencing these industrial setups for the first time, they drew the greatest benefit from it. That's where I looked back at my experience as a student. If I had these experiences as a student, I would have learned a lot more from them. And that's where we realized, why not take these experiences to the higher education institutes themselves, where these students would be better prepared when they eventually do join those industrial setups. These experiences would help students bridge the industry-academia gap to be better prepared for taking up challenges that they would face in their careers, and in fact leapfrog the learning curve that would last anywhere between 12 to 24 months once they join new setups. And that's where the idea of IXR Labs was born. We started working on experiences that would actually cater to bridge this industry-academia gap, to provide students with experiences that they could not easily have, and provide experiences that they could learn a lot from.